Hey guys, and welcome back to another video unboxing by CustomPCReview.com. My name is Sam, and today we'll be checking out the ASIO Levitron Mech 5 mechanical gaming keyboard. So this is a brand new product from our friends over at ASIO. And for those of you guys who don't really know or don't really follow ASIO's keyboards, they actually released the first generation of this product, the Levitron Mech 4, late last year. And at the time, I actually thought it was a pretty cool product. It's got very unique design that you'll see in a little bit. So looking at the specifications between the Mech 4 and the Mech 5, there's actually very little difference. I checked out their website, looked at all the specifications between the two, and really they're pretty much the same, except for the fact that the Mech 4 is using a black and yellow color scheme, while the Mech 5 is using a black and red color scheme. Other than that, not much difference. But I did get a chance to talk to the guys over at ASIO, a little bit about the Mech 5. And what they told me is that basically the Mech 5 is using a much more improved internal design. So they are using a new PCB layout. They are using better internal components, which should make the Mech 5 just that little bit more durable than the already durable Mech 4. And for those of you guys who are planning to buy this keyboard and keep this keyboard for a long time, because after all, this is going to be a pretty expensive keyboard. Like all mechanical keyboards, they are a bit more expensive. You'll probably like what they've done, with the internal improvements and all that stuff. Either way, the Mech 5 is just, it's going to be sort of like just a new revision to the Mech 4 instead of a whole new keyboard. So if you guys already have the Mech 4, to be honest, I don't really think there's a reason to upgrade. Anyways, moving on to the specs here, it's got Cherry MX Black key switches, except for those macro keys that aren't really Cherry MX Black. It's got this really cool modular design. I think I mentioned that a little bit before. I'll show you that later in the video. It's got N key rollover. It's got USB ports on it. No audio ports, which kind of sucks. But you got the macro functionality. You got like a game mode and everything. So it's pretty cool. All right, so let's check out the keyboard since this is an unboxing video, and I've been talking about everything except unboxing for the longest time. And right here we can see that it does have a braided cord, which is going to be standard for most gaming keyboards. We've got USB plugs right there, and it's got two, so you're going to need two on your computer. Most likely one of them's going to be for the USB ports, so it should function fine with one, but yeah, there it is. Up top you got those got all those macro keys. You got the disabling of the Windows key, and you can hear that it's got that linear Cherry MX Black switch. So for the most part, it's not going to be too loud, and a lot of gamers prefer the Cherry MX Black key switch because it is a heavier key switch, and you are during gaming, during intense things, you are going to be bottoming out keys and stuff. So that's always something that I've seen a lot of gamers prefer. And I'll show you what I mean by that modular kind of a design there. And basically what you can do is you can actually put that modular piece onto the keyboard, and it'll provide you with additional macro functionality. And so if you need macros, you can just pop that on there, and you're good to go. Plus it looks kind of cool. It's got that gunrail design. And on the right side there, you can see that I'm putting on the 10 key, and right there it comes off just like that. You just pull it, it comes off. And if you want to put it on the other side, you can put it on the other side. If you actually don't even want to put it there, you can actually connect the USB cable that comes with, and you can have it placed somewhere else, or you can operate without the 10 key if you want. It's especially good for guys who's got maybe a table you know, with a little less space, or you know, guys who go to LAN parties and you just don't need that 10 key. You don't have to carry it with you. So that's pretty much that. I'm gonna plug it in real quick. Not much lights up here. I mean, you've only got the side macros that sort of light up that you can see, and there's also that Windows key disable. Not much is working right now because I don't really have the drivers installed, but just want to show you how it lights up. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, those of you guys interested, I've got a couple more product shots coming along the way, so definitely check that out. Special thanks to ASIO for sending one out for review. And for the rest of you guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Surfaces and all that. So it's great to see that Razer is pretty much implementing this new sensor system across the board. Of course, we also got to check out the lighting. It's got this nice green lighting that's pretty typical of a lot of Razer mice. You've got a nice solid green up top, and then you've got a breathing Razer logo at the bottom of the mouse. So very, very nice looking mouse, and definitely excited to review it.